Hello everyone. The limited access for the Product Odoo app is useful for a business that wants to control access to the product and product variants from the unauthorized operations like creating, editing, deleting, and duplicating. With this app, you can set a limit for the product, product variants, product attributes for the specific users, ensuring that the authorized user can only perform such operations. Now, after installing this module, let's get into an inventory. Under products, we can see the products. User will not able to see and create an edit option and the delete and duplicate options for the product and as well as the product variants. Okay. These things will be unrestricted. Additionally, all fields will be in the read-only mode under the tree and form view. User will not able to make any changes under any applications like sales, purchase, inventory and manufacturing. Now, from here, user can see that this person will not able to see or modify anything here, and there is a no option to duplicate and delete the products, and there is a no option to create any products from here in the inventory page. Like the same way, let's get into the product variants. So here in the product variant page, you can't see any create option right away here, and there is no access to modify anything, and also there is an option for delete access. Okay. And like the same way, let's get into the attributes. So from here, user can see there is a no create option available and there is no access for edit all those things which we have added before. So like the same way, there is an restrictions in the sales as well. So let's get into the sales first. Here you can see there is a no create option, delete option and as well as the duplicate option, and it will be in the read only mode. This is for product as well as the product variants. Okay, and like the same way, let's get into the invoicing. So here under customer, we can see the products. There is a no create option, no edit option, and no delete and duplicate option available in the invoicing page as well. Now let's get into end purchase. So from here under that, you can see end products. So there is a no option for in edit, delete, and duplicate in the both form and list view as well as the Kanban view. Okay, and here you can see the product variants. For product variants as well, there is a no option for that. Now let's get into an manufacturing. So from here under products, you can see the products. There is a no option for delete, create, and also and modify in both views. Like the same way, let's get into and product variants. There is a no option for that too. Okay. Now to enable an access, we need to get into and settings. Under user and companies, we can see the users. Now let's get into and mutual admin here. Okay. Now from here you can see an access product and the variants. We need to enable this option. User with access product and variant access rights can only create and edit product, product variants and product attributes. Now let's save this one. Let's get back to the main page. So from here, if user get into an inventory now, okay, user can see a new option which helps user to create a new product, and there is an duplicate option available. Okay, and this person can modify that one which we have created and also for an existing product as well. Let's get into the existing one. So here you can see this person have an access to modify it. Okay, now all the things will be an editable. Let's get back to the product variants. You can see that there is a new option available in the list view, and also there is an access for edit and also for delete and duplicate. Okay, now let's get back to that attributes, where you can see an new option to create a new attribute, and also we have an option to change anything which is already created. Now let's get into end sales. Now under products, you can see there is an editable, and also we can delete and also we can modify it. Okay, and here you can see a same thing like duplicate option is available, delete, and as well as an editable is also available. Okay, now let's get into an purchase, where you can see the products. Now you can see it can be create, edit, and delete, and also you can see a same thing right away here. Now let's get into an invoicing. Under that, we can see the products. There we can have an access to delete, edit, and modify it. So in this way, we can make use of this module to control access to product and product variants from the unauthorized operations like creating, editing, deleting, and duplicating. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an inventory related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated inventory features that we have. Thanks for watching.